What if I told you this entire video was made with zero filming? No camera, no lighting, no actors, just AI. You're watching a scene from my short AI animated film, A Robot Finds Music in a Broken City, and yes, it was entirely created using artificial intelligence. The tool I used is called Magiclight. It's a powerful AI platform that lets you generate animated films from just text prompts. A robot explores a ruined futuristic city and discovers a glowing piano. That one line became a full cinematic scene. Visuals, animation, even voiceover, all AI generated. Here's how I created A Robot Finds Music in a Broken City in under 2 minutes. Wrote a short script, entered story prompts into Magiclight, selected characters' tone and voice, let the AI build the animation. No actors, no filming, no editing software, just me and an idea. Whether you're a content creator, educator, storyteller, or just someone with a message, Magiclight lets you bring your stories to life without any production gear. It's fast, it's affordable, and it's for everyone. A Robot Finds Music in a Broken City is proof. You no longer need a camera to be a filmmaker. You just need a vision and the right AI. Made with Magiclight, no filming, all AI. Watch the full short film and subscribe for more AI-powered creations. Subscribe for tutorials, tools, and faceless storytelling with AI.
A robot finds music in a broken city. In a city, long abandoned, where wind walks through glass, and silence outlived memory. Something still moved. A robot. Model XR17, designed to serve. But now, alone. It wandered through ruins without reason, until a sound. Not a command, not a warning, a rhythm. Something gentle, alive. The robot followed the echoes, found the bones of old songs in broken places, a piano without strings, a radio without a voice, and yet, fragments of music remained. With pieces left behind, it began to build. Not a tool, not a weapon, but something else entirely, something beautiful. A memory surfaced, a child, clapping to music, laughing, dancing. Once, this robot used to play songs. Now, it played again. From a rooftop above the silence, a melody rose. Notes made of light, echoes of life. A song not meant to be heard. And yet, it reached. Somewhere far, another light flickered on. Then another, and another. The city wasn't dead. It was listening. Even in ruins, the song remained.